any work for me, spiritual work for me. The man no dey collect money.
So the man they do spiritual work for you. He still they sleep with you again.
In the knack me with the knack. You understand?
He they do spiritual work again.
Yes. I traveled to Benin during that period. So the man don't already know the reason why I went to Benin. That's for good. Now I can put including the day where I come out for Lagos say go Benin. Now 8 days. Now I come out. That 8 days where I come out. It was not fun. For good 7 days. Good 7 days. Good 7 nights. That man knocked me. He said this way in the say he has to go rub am for Ebola or sleep with me so that the thing will go inside my body, all those kind of a thing. To me, no problem as long as say the thing. You know when you inquire for power now, that time I don't go to the extent where be say I know they even look back again. I was willing to do anything. I just
the power you won't get. What you want that power to do?
Power what I won't get. We say that power that time now. Any man will see me, you understand? It will be very, very difficult for you. If you are not spiritually balanced, you will be carried away.
Okay, so they're going to give you money?
Anywhere where they see me, they want to have something in common with me. Even that was when I know that most of these married women, most of them, on their own are strong lesbians. They want to sleep with their fellow lady, you understand? You get some women where they say they knock their husband and they knock them.
Did they pay you?
Yes. Did they pay me? If I did knock their husband, me I did knock them. But
would they, as in two of them, would they know?
They don't know.
Okay, they don't know.
No.
As in the thing don't charm the husband, you go charm the wife also.
Yes, see, it get some perf where woman go wear like this, you understand? If you pass a man, you want to. You understand? If you are someone that is a sex freak, you want to have something to do with that. And it's there for women too, you understand? So when I travel, after everything where I go, I slept with that man for good 7 days. The man knocked me, waiting no good, I no go lie for you. As me and my friends can't travel now, go Mali. That Mali, my sister, I no go lie for you. It took by the grace of Almighty for me to come back. It was not funny.
Why you go Mali before?
We go hustle for Mali now.
So from here, Nigeria, you go Mali, go hustle?
Yes. Yourself from Lagos here at times I dey enter Benin, Warri, I go Abuja. No place. No, I don't go Dubai now. Now because of say I won't calm down like this, and I get ring. Where the man and only that man fit comot that ring.
That is the work of that ring.
See, that ring is spiritual ring. I no go lie for you. Any man will be say he sleep with me, like when knock me, like this. It's two things. If you're not spiritually strong, if you empty your account because of me, or better still, you just have issue on your business, you start having issue, backwardness, all you and your family, you start having some kind of challenges. You see, I tell you, I no go lie for you. You get some men where be say they don't even me, not be even only me. Some of my friends, some girls out there, where be say they don't knock some girls, the girls don't put them for bottle. Married men where say they get family, you understand?
But they come for you people.
Yes. See, be say this man now where they tell you, this native doctor where they beneath so where they tell you, the man no Greek. If they say this man help me, Greek come out this ring, the bead when gave me the waist bead, okay. I don't return the
bead. The man give you waist bead before?
Yes, that waist bead now for protection.
Okay.
If you be man or if you view people woman, if you get any sickness for body or you get bad things against me, no matter how I do, your body no go move for where I do. Even if I like my sucking from now till tomorrow.
Okay, that one for the bead for the protection.
Yes, your bola no go. Yes. That na different beats. You get the one where be say now for pregnancy. Yeah, I know if you get belly.
Okay.
And you get the one where be say if your mind no good for where I dey. Let's say you get that for mind say you won't do me bad thing. Your bola no go stand.
Now the same man give you the
Yes,
the two.
I say this man will do to the extent that he now started using me as his weapon. I became his weapon. You understand? He will equip me very well, like this, take care of me. Nothing where they do for me. If you see my back, waiting this man use razor blade because of juju, tear my back.
Use razor blade, tear, put juju for your back.
Yes, yes, even for my under of my tummy here like this now, get some, but it only take because before me and you go do something today, and I go come up close now. You go make sure I must make sure say you knock me, or better still, if you don't get better mind for me, no be small thing I go do you. All the money where they make for
The
this,
man wants you to continue.
yes.
You know what make you stop?
You know what make I stop? But me, I want to stop because all the money where they get for the thing, they go for the thing. You understand? The more power they look for, the more money they spend. You understand? And if you go hook up, come back now, you need to maintain yourself so that your body will still look the same. Not be the one where we say make we say big and small bola they enter, curve, bend bola they enter. You need to use drugs, you understand, so that your body go, man no go touch you, can't they complain. Because if you say the man wife, if you say her own because they okay, the man no for come outside, you understand. So at me like this, I don't knock 7 men at a point, 7 friends, I knock them, no be small, at a spot. At a me my own high classy stuff, but all those things no gain for no gain.
What you don't use the money do since
nothing
that time? The money no they favor you
at all.
Only food,
clothes, phone, handbag.
you they change like phone bag.
Yes,
Now only this thing they do with your money.
All those things, nothing
For
else.
how many years don't they do this hookup?
For the past 8 years now.
You never say this is what I use the money do.
At all. There was a time I tried starting up a business. But my sister, let me tell you, the money went down. Because that money, I believe the money was not, I didn't get the money straight, in a straight, clean way. Because of many things where I don't, I know, like, I told you, I know like 2 women where I don't drive, come up for their house. Till today, you understand? The thing is that, see, I not gonna lie, any money where they come for hustle, all this hookup thing, you know, if you use and do anything, they tell you the truth.
But
Some
people say that they use and do something.
I don't know how they take the two. Me, I don't buy like 2 buses
Okay.
for road. But I tell you, I not gonna lie for you. Under 3 months, my bus go get accident like 3 times, 4 times. You understand? And if they get accident, person must die. So me, I no con they know whether na things where I put my hand. Fear con they catch me. You understand? Every time like this, I go. If my bus get accident, I go use no be small money. I go use.
Repair.
Come close the case now because no be small case. So even you get the last one why buy, even the driver way they drive the motor say no do again, say no the kind money where I use buy the motor. If the motor no knock engine today, na accident. It's one problem to another. Even my own personal car where I buy,
You get car?
I use and yes, I use and get accidents. My own personal car where I buy, me use and get accident, me and my friend. But I thank God say nothing happened to me or my friend. So this be
Where the car dey now?
I don't sell them for scrap, but I will not lie to you. I don't sell the car. There is nothing. See the way the money they take enter. That's why they take commute. There is no. I cannot say that this is the thing that I have done with for the past 8 years now. I'm living fine. They eat well, understand? But the only thing where they always do is say anything I see, I order. You understand? The next rent, the hair where they rent, I want to buy it. Do my nails. When you go use like 30,000 naira, do your nails, only nails. Buy hair because you want to look. You want to keep looking. You know all this small
So they save the money inside the bank.
I dey do a job.
Okay.
But any day where I sit down like this, think of something to do with money. And sister, let me tell you the truth. I no go feel explain how that money take go. I dey do a job. You get a job where I dey even do where be say every month 1 million naira. But let me tell you the truth. pack my.
I won't do the hookup again, you understand? I don't want to do again. I just want to get the ring out of me, make the ring come off from my body. Man, I know say yes. I will be till today. I will not go lie you. I still dey die of guilt of so many things where I don't do. So many things, so many children where I don't mislead. I will advise all these young girls outside though.
Na money.
Na money. I go advise them because when you see person, the person is doing all this one, they will go this God when. God, God, you don't know what you are getting yourself into. You understand? Because if you say my friend no come village that time, can't do one show, you understand? I can't say and say, babe, they work, they Lagos, you understand? If I'm not hungry, me come up for husband house, you understand? I can't come up for husband house. Now, look at me. I have some health challenges I'm going through.
Because of this way.
Because of all these things that, yes, I have some health challenges I'm going through, which we say I dey take drugs every now and then. I dey take drugs just to sustain myself.
This thing no gain dey inside this hookup.
One gain no dey